Hey, what's up guys? It's Jordan Thomas. I'm just starting my channel, Gypsy Soul. It's gonna deal a lot with adventures and some stuff to do with my Tacoma, which I'm about to do today. Me and my wife are about to take off on a 2.5 week trip. And the Taco, we just put the lean-to on it. I plan on doing a video here soon, how that install was and how it looks on the inside. It's a brand new company. They're trying to deal with using lighter weight material for not only Tacomas, but mid-sized trucks for like a camper pop-up type deal. They have some really innovative ideas. But anyways, I'm gonna do that later. So yeah, as of today, we're gonna get to right here, this thing. It's called the Mountain Hatch. It is a flat install for the tailgate right here. So when we go camping, we're able to put our drinks down without them spilling, or cook and prepare our meals right here, sit. It's just an awesome, super simple idea that I feel like Tacoma should come standard with pretty soon. So yeah, I'll show you guys probably through a time lapse what I'm gonna do. But all you need to do to take this guy out is get your Torx bit out. I believe it's a 36, not for sure. Let's see. It says, I think it's a 33. I don't know, but anyways, you're gonna zoom this guy out real quick. Take all these guys out lining right here, and all these ones right here, and I'll show you what this guy looks like here in a second. All right, guys, just got the box open, and I can see right off the bat comes with an awesome, high quality like vinyl sticker. Probably throw that on my Ottobox that is about to come in. I got an Ottobox Venture 45 cooler that I've had to run around the world to try to find, but should be in before our trip. So here is the first look. It's very high quality, very heavy, dense plastic. It's got to take a really big 3D printer or printing a negative to be able to print this big without any seams. As you guys can kind of see right down here, it's got two cup holders. Nice little sign that says slippery when wet. Cover themselves, and the Mountain Hatch logo right here, made right in the USA. So I'll show you guys the install. All right, guys, we are back. Done. It was super simple. Took like, honestly, maybe 90 seconds to do this. So anybody can do it. You just got to have the right bit. I did go with black. They have a bunch of awesome colors like red, orange, gray. I almost went with the gray, but my whole truck, as you can see, minus the lean-to, is blacked out. Main reason I went with white for the lean-to is because we're going to be sleeping up there and it's going to be hot. So I wanted to get white to just reflect a little bit. I kick myself. I sometimes wish I would have went with black, but eventually I want to swap over to a white Taco. So I want to stick with the same thing, go with black. The only thing I would suggest is really contemplating how much you're going to be sitting here, working here, putting your knees on here, because black is hot. Even getting on and off this thing, it was hot very often. So just contemplate that when you guys go to purchase one of these. But it's amazing. I can feel it already. Literally feels like a cutting board. Super easy and fast to clean. Very high quality, durable. It is spendy, but as functional and as much as we're going to be in and out of this consistently camping, it's worth it to us. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thanks. I'm new to this, so please click to subscribe and go ahead and follow us for more adventures and stuff on my Tacoma. So take care, guys.